Husky 2G CAN bus training, driver controls and indicators. Gauges and controls. This is your gauge panel inside the Husky 2G. Item number 1 is our fuel gauge. Item 2, engine oil pressure gauge. Item 3, engine coolant temperature gauge. Item 4, battery voltmeter. Item 5, wheel module air pressure gauge for the front. Item 6, wheel module air pressure gauge for the rear. Item 7 is our transmission temperature. Item 8 is our speedometer and tachometer. Item 9 is our control and warning indicator. Item number 10 is our foot heater. 11, cabin fan speed switch. Item number 12 is our road operational switch for Central Tire Inflation System, or CTIS. That lets you switch from on-road, off-road, or operational. Item number 13 is tire select switch, CTIS, to where you can select either road tires or overpass tires. Control and warning light indicator. Inside this panel, you have 20 different lights and 20 different indicators. Item number 1 is your high beam. Item 2 is our low range. Item 3 is our check engine. 4 is our engine shutdown, which looks like our check engine, but this one has an exclamation point. Item 5 is our transmission fault. 6 is our alternator off. 7 is our road tire select light. When road tires are selected on the CTIS, this light will illuminate. Item number 8 is our on-road pressure light. 9 is our tow pencil closed. Item number 10 is on either side. That is our turn signal. Item 11 is a fuel water separator. Item 12, the P is our park brake. Item 13, low air pressure. Item 14 is our flame start. It'll be 2 coils. Item 15 is our hazards. With this, your turn signals, either turn signal will flash. Item 16 is our off-road. Item 17, hydraulic fluid level. This is your power steering level. Item 18 is hydraulic filter. Item 19 is overpass tire selected. Item 20 is operational tire pressure. Stop switch. This is our turn signal indicator located right below the steering wheel. For visual purposes, the steering wheel has been removed. Item number 1 inside this multi-function stop switch is our turn signal. You'll move the turn signal either up or down. Item number 2 is our horn. That will be our button on the very end. Item number 3, 4, and 5 is our park lights, drive lights, and high beam. This first knob here, you will turn that to either park lights, drive lights, or if you push it, it'll become high beams. Item number 6, 7, and 8 is our front wiper low, front wiper high, and windshield sprayer. This will be for the 2 front glass. This is our second knob here. The first click will take you to wiper low, then wiper high, and then if you flip it back, it'll be the windshield sprayer. Our center console. This is in between the driver and the operator as sitting inside the vehicle. We'll go down each bank of switches. This top bank, item number 1, is our differential lock switch, which is the center switch. That engages your differential locks on your front and rear axle. Item number 2 is our high low range selector. It is the first switch indicated with a tortoise and a rabbit. Item number 3 is our 4x4 lock switch. This is to engage your Husky in 4-wheel drive. Item number 4 is your alternator cutoff switch. When operating with your in pinpoint during detection, you will have to operate this switch in the off position. Continuing on, item number 5 is the rear work light switch, our second switch in. There is a rear work light located right outside the rear of the vehicle. Item number 6 is our side wiper switch. This is the first switch that operates the wiper blades on the driver's side window and the operator side window. Item number 7 is our auxiliary light switch. Auxiliary lights are 2 work lights on either side of the vehicle. Item 8 is our hazard switch. Continuing on, item 9, blackout mode switch. It is the second switch. This switch is used to place the vehicle in either normal operating lights or white light, or in blackout, which operates the blackout lights only. Item 10 is pencil open close switch. You'll use this first switch to open and close the toe pencil. Item 11 is our panel switch. You can use this switch to increase or decrease the light produced by your control panel and gauges. Item number 12 is the blackout unlock switch. You'll use this switch to lock and unlock the position for blackout. This is used so you don't inadvertently go to white light. The last bank in the center control console. Item number 13 is our cruise control switch. Again, our second switch. That turns your cruise control on and off. Item 14 is our engine start stop switch, the first switch. This switch is used to start and stop the engine. Item 15, indicated with up and down arrows, is our cruise increase and decrease switch. The cruise control on this vehicle is used as mission dictates. Item 16, our ignition on-off switch, located right here. That turns your battery power as your ignition switch is on. Moving down the center console, we have items 20 through 30. Starting here, item number 20, located right here as the red N, that is your gear select indicator on your transmission gear selector pad. Item number 21, monitor, that is the current gear that your vehicle is in. Item 22, mode, that is your mode selection button. Item number 23 is your up selection button. You use this to upshift the vehicle. Item 24 is a down button. You can use this button to downshift the vehicle as needed. Item number 25 on this other side is our select. That is the gear selected. 26 takes us to the R for reverse. 27 is N for neutral. Item number 28 is a D for drive. Coming down to item number 29, our battery isolator switch is located at the bottom of the center console panel. This switch has to be unlocked before it can be moved in or out of position. And item number 30 is our park brake control lever that engages and disengages the parking brake. Moving up top to our climate control or air conditioning and heater unit. Item number 1 is our mode switch. You can press this button to move it from the different positions. Item 2 is our off switch. You can press this button to turn the system off. Item number 3 is our heat. In case you need to turn the heat on, you can press this button and turn the heat on. Item 4 is the vent. Vent is fresh air coming in. Item number 5 is our demist. That demist switch is used to defrost your windshields. Item 6 is our cool or air conditioning switch. Press this button, your air conditioning will work. On this other side, item number 7 is our fan selector switch. Item 8 is our low fan speed. Item 9 is our medium fan speed. And item 10 is our high fan speed. All of these can be adjusted as needed. End of task. Refer to Husky 2G suite of manuals for additional information and procedures.